All right, good morning, everyone. We're going to do a quick little 5-minute review of periods, families, valence electrons, and Lewis dot diagrams. We'll get right into it. The first thing is a row on the periodic table is a period. Remember, there are 7 rows starting up here at the top. Hydrogen and helium are in the first period. This orange is the second period going down just the 7th period down below. Remember, elements in the same row or the same period have the same number of energy levels. And energy level, remember, starts from the center and goes out. Here are 3 examples. So lithium is in the second period. So it has 2 energy levels of electrons, 2 electrons in the first, 1 in the second. Sodium is in the third period and it has 3 energy levels of electrons around it. Potassium's in the fourth period, and look, it's got 4 energy levels of electrons coming out from the center. If we look at 3 examples on your periodic table, carbon, so you should number your rows like I've done here on mine. Number the periods on your table going from 1 through 7. And hopefully you have your reference table out in front of you right now. Here's carbon, and notice carbon's in the second row, so it has 2 energy levels. Here's phosphorus. It has 3 energy levels because it's in the third period of the table. And here's barium way down here. It's in the 6th period, so it has 6 energy levels. That's how that works. Remember, a family or group is a column on the table up and down. There are 18 families or groups. And remember, elements in the same group or family have the same number of valence electrons. And valence electrons are the ones in the outside energy level. Those are the special ones that do chemical bonding and chemical reactions and all that. So starting over here on the left side, family 1A elements like hydrogen, lithium, and sodium all have 1 valence electron. 2A elements like beryllium and magnesium and calcium all have 2 valence electrons. Skip over all these B family elements, or the D block, remember we called them, because we don't know about the valence electrons on them. We know over here in family 3A, they all have 3 valence electrons, and 4A, they have 4, and so forth, over to 8A, which has 8 valence electrons. Here's another slide of the same thing, number of valence electrons by the family it's in. Here are 3 examples. Here's calcium. It's in the family 2A, so it has 2 valence electrons. Phosphorus is right here. It's in 5A, so it has 5 valence electrons. Iodine over here in 7A has 7 valence electrons. That's how that works. We looked at Lewis dot diagrams briefly the other day. Basically just 1 dot for each valence electron. Here are the Lewis dot diagrams for the first 18 elements. You can only see 18 of them at a time here. So the 1A elements like hydrogen, lithium, and sodium have 1 dot for 1 valence electron. Beryllium, they misspelled beryllium, but anyway, 2 dots for 2 valence electrons. Boron and aluminum in 3A have 3 dots for 3 valence electrons. So forth over here to the noble gases in 8A, which have 8 dots or 8 valence electrons, except for helium, which only has 2 dots. It doesn't matter where exactly you put the dots around the element, but do kind of put them in pairs. See how neon has 4 pairs of 2 electrons? Don't put more than 2 together on a side, but it doesn't matter which side you put them on. It doesn't matter where you put the 1 electron by itself. So that's pretty much it for this little video. We reviewed periods, families, valence electrons, and Lewis dot diagrams. You should do the quizzes that goes along with that, and good luck and have fun with that. And we're about out of time for this video, so we're going to wrap it up, and I'll talk to you again soon.